The Callisto Protocol is free on Epic Games right now. Claim it before it's gone. Open the Epic Games launcher. If it doesn't have the Epic Games launcher, then search Epic Games in Chrome and select the official site. And select the download option and download the Epic Games launcher. After the download done, install it. After the installation done, in search store type Callisto Protocol. Select the game. As you can see, it is free right now. Select the get option. As you can see, 0 rupees total. Select the place order option. Select the view in library option and select the game and select the install option and it will start installing. As you can see, the game started installing. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.